Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So the topic is manufacturing and supply chain skills gap and the opportunities that will come. So let's start with some facts. There are 7.6 million open trade school type jobs currently. Also, the World Economic Forum estimates that 40% of jobs will evolve over the next few years due to new requirements like AI. So there's a vast opportunity to upskill and develop talent. So number one, think about being like Caterpillar and investing some money in upskilling talent. They have put aside $100 million over the next several years. Number two, partner with community colleges and trade schools. I had a client that did just that with new hires and existing employees, and they were wildly successful. Number three, look at other training, development, apprenticeship type programs and encourage your workforce to pursue those opportunities. Anyone who is following this type of a formula is going to have more opportunities than they know what to do with, whereas everyone else is going to struggle. So which group do you want to be in?